Okay, in this stage of my drawings, after the drawing the interior walls, the exterior walls, and starting to go to some of modeling some of interiors, I go to have some idea about the exterior and the facade, and see what will go on in the project. Some things about the windows, about the rooms, about the yards, about the ports, and other things. So I will open the sample project and see how it's designed and what can I do. Look at these pictures. We have a sloped ceiling, a gable roof, and we have an interior and other things. I think these are the rooms. This is the interior, this is another room, these are the ports and other things. I think we will have some ideas about the interior parts after drawing the exterior and the facade. So in this stage of drawing I will go to draw some exteriors. This is the garage. We had an alternative plan. This is the alternative plan. We started with this and we didn't model the garage. It's not an important thing. We can do it in other lessons. Okay, let's go to this and complete the volume of the villa. Okay, let's see what we have. I think the main interior is here. 2 rooms are this main interior, 2 rooms. Okay, so I go to the exterior wall tag. I double click on the exterior wall component and start to make some changes, and I will make a new tag, name it facade, and do some of my drawings in this tag. Okay, as you see here, we have two slope gable roof here, and I think a 2 slope gable roof here. Yes, these have 2 slopes, and this roof has 2 other slopes. Okay, and let's see how can we make this model. I will make a complete volume here by drawing a rectangle with the shortcut R, and after that we will make the whole volume and make changes to have what we want. Okay, I choose it, I pull it by the pull tool or clicking the shortcut P, and this is our project volume. By clicking K, we can see these dashed lines that are something that are in our volume. We use this in mostly in walls and other part of our project that we will see them. Okay, this is the volume. As we see here is the room, here is the entrance, and here is the other. I think we can align these 2 walls to each other. They are aligned, and we should make one of our game roofs here and the other roof back of this. Let's see how it's go on. I'm not sure how I want to do this modeling, but it's a good project to see how should we do it. Okay, the other 2 sloped roof comes to here. I think this can go up for 2 meters. This can go up for 1.5 meter, 150 centimeter, and we will have this. Let's see what we shaped here. look. I want to model these roofs. Maybe we can have this here and have this one here. Okay, see what's happening. Have this here and model this. Okay, I think it's becoming what we want. Okay, as you see, we have this roof. I make a copy, click move, click Ctrl to make a copy of it, and make other changes on this copy. I delete unused lines by clicking K and see these dashed lines. I will delete the unused one. It make the model more simple, and I prefer to do this. Okay, this is the roof. As you see, I'm going to draw this. Let's see it again and see what we have. I am going to draw this, these two rooms, this interior. Okay, I choose these lines, make an offset of 30 and push the other part to have this, as you saw. I hope that you understand what I'm doing. And we don't have this in the back of our home, so I delete it, and here I think I should complete this line, and maybe if I complete this it will become better, and delete these and go here to here. Okay, it can comes to, okay, maybe if I make an offset of 30 here again and complete this line, you see the purple line. I complete it. I don't know, I can go to here by this. I think I make a copy of it to here and do the same to here. We should delete some unused line again to complete our roof from the interior. Okay, as you see, we have this line to here, to here. Okay, the front of the project that we have the entrance with something will go different, and I want to find out what should I do with that. Okay, see, this is the entrance. I find where it goes. Okay, this is the entrance, and as you see how it goes on, and we should complete the other parts of it. Here we have the unused lines. I think by copying this and bringing it to here, it will be a good idea to complete what I want. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, we got. I will use this rotated rectangle for this part of the wall. I delete this and use another rotated rectangle and put it here. lines here. I should draw this line, this line, this line. It's a bit difficult. I don't know why it's going so hard. Okay, maybe if we draw this line. Okay, if we draw it's this line. Okay. And find out where it goes. It's going over. Okay. Hard. Okay. I think I find out where it goes. And these are some difficulties in SketchUp. I'm sorry. I should find exactly where I want. I think it's coming together. Okay, and I'm drawing this line. Okay, it's done. We can mirror this by this flip tool and put it here, and everything will be solved. Okay, and now we have the gable roof, the interior, and the only thing we should do is maybe to pull it up these walls, but I don't do that now. Okay, as you see, let's do it like this. We tried to make this scene, and I think it's not bad. We should go more in the detail level to this interior, this structure, and complete it. I try to make this structure and these two columns to you will find out how we can do some models with details. Let's go on. Okay, let's go full screen as SketchUp. I use the facade tag and do everything in that. Okay, make a component and see what I need. A triangle here that comes to here. Okay, and bring this out to do something a bit easier. Okay, and complete these triangles. Okay, as you see. Okay, I explode this to delete this and see what I want. Maybe a beam here with the depth of 40 centimeter and something like this. Okay, see what I'm doing, and I use the offset tool to complete what I did. Offset with 30 centimeter. Okay. Okay, I think if I keep this line here and delete these, with this and I want these two columns, so I will delete this part and this part, and I think it's can be less than this 13th really. Okay, go here for 15 as you see, and complete this, delete these, and how much is this? It's about 30. Okay. I can use this line and this line, and again use these lines to make it a bit better. Okay, I will delete here, I will delete here, and it will be a bit realistic. And finally I will use the push tool to give it some depth. As you see, there is something in there, and what I did, I made this object by using simple materials in Google SketchUp. I will see better what I'm doing. I use wood material and put it here, and for the gable roof I will use some metals. I don't find what I want, but maybe I can use this metal, and yes, I'm modeling this, and I go to this. I will complete this model in the other lessons. Thank you.